Buying Bitcoin for the first time sounds complicated. It's actually easier than opening a bank account. Here's the complete step-by-step guide. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Buzz, your go-to source for the latest crypto news, trends, and smart plays. If you want real updates, no nonsense, and moves that actually matter, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange. For beginners, I recommend Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These are the biggest, most trusted exchanges in the world. They're free to sign up. Step 2. Create your account. Go to the exchange website, click Sign Up, enter your email, and create a strong password. Use a password you've never used before. Step 3. Verify your identity. All legitimate exchanges require ID verification. This is normal and legal. Upload a photo of your ID and a selfie. This takes 5 to 10 minutes and is usually approved automatically. Step 4. Add your payment method. Connect your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Bank transfers are slower but have lower fees. Cards are instant but slightly more expensive. Step 6. Keep it safe. For small amounts, leaving it on the exchange is fine. But if you invest more, consider moving it to your own wallet for extra security. And that's it. 6 steps, under 10 minutes, and you're officially a Bitcoin owner. Start small, learn as you go. That's the breakdown. If you're serious about staying ahead in crypto, subscribe to Crypto Buzz right now. No hype, just smart moves. And again, I am not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. See you in the next video. Ciao, guys.